2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, everything you need to know. In the summer of 2022, the first mid-engine Corvette Z06 will go into production, and the following year, it will go on sale as a 2023 model. The Z06, in keeping with history, is a more extreme track-oriented version of the regular Vette, complete with edgier aesthetic cues and significant performance features. For today's video, we will be talking about everything we need to know about the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Interested to know more about this car? Just keep on watching. What's new for 2023 Chevy Corvette Z06? The 2023 Chevy Corvette Z06 is anticipated to put the venerable moniker into class above Ferrari and Lamborghini exotics. It already stands out from the other Z06 because the engine is now behind the driver. It's not only significantly wider than the standard Corvette Stingray, but it also has a distinctive rear wing and larger air intakes. The new Z06's natural aspirated 5.5-liter V8 won't sound like any other Vette before, thanks to a flat plane crankshaft. The Stingray's best features and technologies will be carried over, but its performance and handling will be improved. Chevy switched to a mid-engine layout to make the C8 Corvette a supercar that more folks can afford. And the 2023 Corvette Z06 promises to embarrass more than a few people driving insanely expensive supercars when they meet at a racetrack. Given the new Corvette Z06's performance capabilities, its six-figure starting price is not surprising, but it is still a steal when compared to comparable European supercars. Although the $8,995 Z07 performance package adds a tuned suspension, Brembo Carbo ceramic brakes, and high-performance Michelin Pilot Cup 2RZP tires, we will choose the standard 1LZ Coupe instead. The Carbon Aero option, which includes a front splitter and a rear spoiler made of carbon fiber, is also necessary when choosing this package. Number 1. Interior, comfort, and cargo. To ensure that the interior of the mid-engine Corvette could not be described as boring, the Bowtie brand went above and beyond. Even if the style differs significantly from that of any other Chevy model, the square steering wheel and wall of climate control buttons on the center console, to put it mildly, odd features. The arrangement of the cabin is still designed with the driver in mind, and there is a long list of both standard and optional amenities. It has a head-up display, heated and ventilated seats, a digital instrument cluster, and even wireless phone charging. Inside, micro-suede accents, forcefully bolstered seats, 2 carbon fiber heavy interior kits, and other features highlight its trackworthiness. The Corvette's capacious rear trunk should continue to provide a spot for drivers to carry 2 sets of golf clubs. Number 2. Infotainment and connectivity. The multi-level dashboard of the Corvette houses an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It has a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Both stereos with a standard 10-speaker system and an optional 14-speaker system are also anticipated to be available separately. The Performance Data Recorder, or PDR, which lets you record video of anything from your track escapades to leisurely country road cruises, will still be available on the new Z06. There is a feature that maintains track of any shady acts the car parker might try if you dare to leave your Z06 with a valet. Number 3. The 2023 Corvette Engine. A unique engine is added to the new Corvette Z06, giving it a sound that should be reminiscent of the supercars it's seeking to unseat. Its 5.5-liter flat plane crank, naturally aspirated V8 engine can reach 8,600 RPM. The engine has a Ferrari-like roar and a 670 horsepower output that will make passers-by tremble. Number 4. The 2023 Corvette Transmission. Rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmissions are mated to the unusual V8. It should be able to turn harder and stop quicker than the standard Vette. thanks to a set of wider, stickier tires and stronger brakes. Number 5. The 2023 Corvette's performance. Chevy also strengthens the structure and transforms the Z06 chassis to ensure its performance advantages are most obvious at the racetrack. To unlock its full potential, there is an optional Z07 package that adds aerodynamic elements, reduces weight, and further upgrades the brakes and tires. The car comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged aluminum wheels, but a set of lighter and stronger carbon fiber rollers are optional. Number 6. Safety and driver assistance features. Although the Z06 also has these amenities, the ordinary Corvette Stingray only has a small number of driver assistance features. Visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, for further details regarding its crash test findings. Key safety features include standard rear parking sensors, available multi-view camera system, available blind spot monitor, and rear cross traffic alert. Number 7. Warranty and maintenance coverage. A. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. B. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. C. Complimentary maintenance is covered for the first visit. Chevy offers a powertrain and limited warranty that is about average for the industry. Although the company provides more free maintenance than manufacturers who forego the free service entirely, it is one of the industry's shortest such plans. So, what aspects of the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 impress you the most? And do you consider it worth buying? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!